Hey, this is shawnshawn. I sell art on shawnshawn.co and specials on eBay. Today we're going to give a tip about flea markets. So a really good way to really start out your career. This is kind of post-COVID, so once they have the vaccine, this will work. Right now it's not going to work. It's a little bit different, so I'll clarify that. So one way to start and get your art out there and really test before you get to the bigger art markets is starting a flea market. So flea market, you can go in, it's really like, you know, 20 bucks, 10 bucks, depends on where you're at. You go in, you can set up just on tables, you can set up really amateurly, but you can slowly learn how to set up correctly. So what you want to do is go there with two people, and you can set up the thing and kind of work the booth, but then take a break, walk the whole market and see the best ideas, and then keep capitalizing, get all those great ideas. And then once you got a really solid flea market booth, you can move up to art markets or farmers markets, and then from there you can go to art specific markets that might be in major cities and even bigger shows after that. But that'll give you the really grounds for how to run a really solid business. You'll learn how to do the cash part of the business, the credit card side of the business, what kind of tent you need, weights, all the setup you need for a good flea market show will be useful to going into kind of more of a professional look later. So you want to kind of have that preliminary step to kind of really give you the experience. Now, as far as long term, some artists do well in flea markets. I think it depends if it's a tourist market or not, like say Florida, maybe Southern California, where there's really a lot of tourists, probably a flea market works well. Hawaii as well. But other markets like where I'm at in Ohio, it's kind of a static market. It's not many, there's not many travelers going through. I do meet a few, but it's mostly a traditional flea market venue. In that case, it's more people looking kind of bargain hunting. So it's not really a great market where I'm at in Ohio, but in Florida it works really well. So just depends where you're at geographically. You know, obviously if you can move to a bigger market, right? But anyway, that's my tip of the day on flea markets. Thanks, guys.